Okay, hi all, good evening. So we have taken the demo class yesterday. We started with this, and I think I have shared the scripts with you, right? Yesterday, correct? So from tomorrow onwards, the classes will be on Graphy, and I think we have shared the Graphy link with you all, right? And I'm not sure how many of you have registered. So let me quickly walk you through the Graphy page. What is that? So what you have to do, I think the link has been shared yesterday, no? This is the link. Are you getting some background noise from mine, or is it fine?
It's fine.
It's fine, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me know if you're facing any background noise. Okay, so this is the Graphy link which has been shared. So those participants who has joined today, so we'll share this link again with you. Okay, so what you have, or let me share this right now. Okay, so this is the Graphy link. What is Graphy? I will let you know everything about it. Okay, so you have to click on this link. So this is our Graphy platform where we used to take the classes. Okay, and then you have to click on Buy Now. Actually, Graphy is a third-party application. Okay, so they used to charge certain amount to the participants, and the minimum what we can keep is 50 rupees. So this is a one-time payment you have to do. Okay, those who are from a previous batch, they know this process. Those who are very new to this, I just want to introduce you. What is this? So this is the one-time payment you have to do for 50 rupees. You have to click on the Buy Now button, and then you have to share your, okay, because I have shared my details, so it knows that. That is why directly it is showing me to the payment page. Okay, just a minute. So when you will click on it, it will ask your full name, your Gmail ID, and all those things. So you have to take care, like when you're entering the name, it should be your complete full name, your official name. Okay. And then the Gmail ID it will accept. No other email. Like if you give Outlook or Yahoo, it will not accept it. You have to give only Gmail ID, and that should be the active one because on that you will get the OTP. Okay. And then you have to make the payment of 50 rupees. That is a one time only. Is this step clear? Any question till here, anyone?
No.
Okay. This is clear to everyone. Okay. Now, after that, once you have made the payment, then what you have to do on a daily basis, the classes will happen on this Graphy platform only. So in that case, what you have to do, let me close this. In that case, what you have to do, you have to uh, search this tna.graphy.com. Okay, tna.graphy.com or the same link which I have given. You click on this because I have already logged in. Okay, so it is directly showing me my home page. But in your case, what will happen? You have to log in. Now for login, there'll be two options: login via Gmail or login via the Gmail OTP. So any option you can select, and then you'll be able to log in. So for me, like this will be the dashboard, but for you, maybe the appearance might be different. Okay, and then you will see the course that is 30, and at 6:15 sharp, I will start the class, and then you can start attending it. Any questions so far? No? So let me show you why we are going for Graphy. So this is for the S29, the previous batch. So you could see here, date-wise date, like 13 December recording, 16 December recording, or let's say 17 December, 18 December, like 18 December, whatever I have covered, the solution of the assignment, recording, workbook, everything will be there here. Date-wise date, you can find it here. Okay, so that is why we take classes on Graphy now, so that even once the course is over, everything will be like a one-stop shop for you, and you can refer whenever you want. So that's the benefit of this platform. So is this clear to everyone? So now we want that after the class today, please log in, register yourself on Graphy because from tomorrow onwards, we'll be taking classes on Graphy only. So while registering, if you're facing any issue, please let me know either today or tomorrow before the class. Because once the class will start, and then if you will ask, maybe we will not be there to help you because the class will start, right? So before 6:15, try to sort it out if you're facing an issue, and it's very simple. I'm damn sure you will not get any issues there. So any questions so far, anyone?
No, sir, not yet.
No questions. Okay. A few best practices, okay, on this graphy, and please listen very carefully. I hope everyone has joined. So the best practices are when you log into the graphy, try to log in using one browser only. One browser means suppose today I have logged in using Chrome. So I'm supposed to log in using Chrome only. I should not keep on swapping it like today I'm joining using Chrome and tomorrow I will join using Microsoft Edge. So don't do that because when you will switch the browser now, actually at the backend it has been programmed in such a way it will treat it as a suspicious activity and they will block you. Got it? So if you're logging on Chrome, try to log in on Chrome only. Okay, and I will recommend you log in using Chrome only. Point number one, don't change the browser daily. Okay. Point number two, don't log in incognito mode. It will accept it, but maybe after 2 to 3 logins, again it will block you. Because what happens, the people they misuse this platform. Okay, they will share their details with their friends. In that case, they will block you. If they will see that even the laptop has changed, they will block you. And then we will not be there to help you out. That is where these 3 points you have to take care. No need to change the browser, no need to change the laptop, okay, and don't log in incognito mode. Suppose rarely you're working on your personal laptop, you're attending these classes, but on a particular day you are in office, then you can join through your official laptop. Once or twice it will ignore, but if you will keep on doing that, okay, at regular instances, then it will block you. And even in those cases, we'll not be there to help you out. Okay, then we have to connect with the graphic team. The solution is there, but that will be very hectic actually. Hope it is clear. So I will request everyone, we have shared the link in the group. Please register on the graphy after the class. And if you're facing any issue, take this screenshot, post it in the group. We'll be there to help you out. Any question?
Hi, Tanvir.
Yeah.
I want to ask one because
Mhm.
right now I'm using the two laptops. So as you said, like that, I'm using the official laptop and I'm using my
Mhm.
personal laptop also. So in this case, can I register with two accounts?
No, 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 no. Only one account. Why means why you want to log in two laptops? Any specific reason?
Yeah, because sometimes I will not carry my official laptop to my house.
Then you log in using your personal laptop daily.
Yeah, personal laptop is okay. It's fine for me. But in case anything in if I'm in my leisure hour, I just want to try it out. Means in office hours. So I'm just thinking, is it
No,
possible?
if
I'm
you
just
if you have to if you have to practice, then you have to practice on this Oracle Live SQL, no? Right?
okay.
So you can
Okay.
practice it here. This is not related to Graphy. You can open this on any laptop, any platform. It will work. I'm talking about Graphy actually. And moreover, Graphy is about the recording. Like you see, once the class is over, you have seen yesterday, once the class was over, I have shared the classroom notes, assignments, and the workbook, right? So you'll be having one copy on your WhatsApp as well. You can take it on your personal laptop, a local copy of it. Okay.
Then
But
it's fine.
we'll be sharing one copy on Graphy as well. So that sometimes what happens when sharing on WhatsApp, you missed it because of some reason. So you'll be having one copy on the Graphy as well. Okay, when the course is over, you can refer it. Got it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But suppose sometime like if you want to join using your official laptop, so let us know before that. Okay, we'll do the setup. We will do those changes at the backend so that it will not block you. Okay.
Okay.
But if someone will make a habit of switching, no, then they used to block actually. And that is not in our control. The graphic platform has been coded in such a way. Okay, so that they should means the unintended recipients they should not log in actually. That's the reason. They want only legitimate users to use it. Hope it is clear. Any question? No questions. Okay, so we'll start now. Now, any question from the topics, whatever I covered yesterday?
Sir, for when we use delete, we basically use delete to delete rows, and that is why we basically specify where to delete it.
Hmm.
Okay.
Delete I have not covered now. Okay, we have a
Okay.
separate topic where we will discuss delete in detail. Delete, drop, and truncate and the differences between them. We have a separate topic. Yesterday, just I have
Okay.
shown you how to delete all the records from a table, but don't think that the delete topic is over. No, we have a separate topic. In that, we will discuss in detail. Maybe one entire class, maybe will be taken for delete, drop, and truncate only. Okay,
Yes,
it's
sir.
a very big topic actually. Okay, fine. Any other question? Okay, no questions. And those who have joined today, I will strongly recommend, please refer to the recording of the yesterday's class. We have shared in the group. We'll share it again. Okay, so please refer it. So you will understand like how to log in on this platform and all those things. It's very simple. You can go through that. So yesterday we have shown you how to create a table, how to insert data, and how to apply filter. And I have shared the scripts as well with you. All right. Now let's proceed further. Let me take the which script I have taken. Just a minute. Any question from course format perspective or any other general question you have? Because I know most of you are new. So if you have any question, please ask. Most of the points I have covered yesterday, but still, if you have any question, you can ask. Okay, no questions. Fine. So this is the script to create a table and insert data. We have discussed this yesterday. So I'm creating this table again. Click on the run button. Table has been created. If you want to check the data, what is the command for it? Select a star
Like
from
start
employee,
from employee. Yes.
right? What is the task of select keyword?
Sir, to select all columns,
To display.
display all columns. Yes.
Select doesn't mean all the columns. Select meaning is to display. That's all. Star means all the column. If I will tell you what is the meaning of a star, then you have to tell a star means all the columns.
All the columns.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
From means from which table you want data. I have written from employee. It means I want data from the employee table. So the meaning of this query is we are telling SQL engine to display all the columns from this employee table. So now when I will execute this, we'll click on the run button. You could see here, I'm getting all the records along with all the columns from this employee table, right? We have already discussed this yesterday. Hope this is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your employee table. Now, then we have discussed how to apply filter. Okay, let's say in this table, my client is asking me, then we show me the details of employees. So show me the details of employee whose employee ID is 2. So which keyword is used to apply filter?
Well,
Where. So whenever you want to apply filter, you have to use the where keyword. On which column we have to apply filter? Employee ID. So we have to write employee ID equals 2. So the meaning of this is we are telling SQL engine to apply filter on the employee ID column, and the value what we are searching is 2. So now if you will check this output, this is the query. We'll check this output. This is the output, right? So you could see I'm getting the data, employee ID 2 only. So if you want to apply filter, you have to use the where keyword. It will apply filter on the data. Hope this is clear. Now, See, I executed this query, I got the output. But the question is, at the backend, what is happening? I just click on the run button. I got the output, and this output is correct. I'm getting the employee ID 2. This output is correct. But when I'm executing the query at the backend, what happens? That is what you have to understand in this course. At the backend, how the SQL engine fetches the data. So there's a concept of SQL order of execution. Okay, let's try to understand this. SQL order of execution. It has like from, then you have join, on, where you don't have to mug up this group by having select distinct order by. This is known as SQL order of execution. SQL order of execution means when you execute a query, okay, at the backend, how the engine executes your query. So first of all, we have the from keyword. So engine will first of all pick the from keyword from this query. So this is the from keyword. So I know you will be surprised, Hitanveer, but when you have written this query, you have written select first. Yes, this is the twist here. The way how you have to write a query and the way how the engine will execute your query, both are different. When you have to write a query, you have to write select first. But when the engine will execute your query, it will consider from first. Now, what is the meaning of from? From means you want data from this employee table, right? So then what will happen? The SQL engine will search this employee table in the database. Because in a database, you can have thousands of tables, right? So from that, engine has to search where is the employee table. It will take a copy of it and it will keep it here. So this is the employee table. From this table, the user wants data, and this will be stored in the temporary memory. So the task of from is clear to everyone? Please confirm me. I'm waiting for the response. Is this clear from employee?
Yes, sir. So first we go to from
Yes,
employee
sir.
because it
Yes.
will take a copy of the table and
Correct.
copy it in its memory. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. It will keep it in the temporary memory that the user wants data from this particular table. So that is why first of all from is executed. Okay, and don't mug up this order of execution. At least during this course, we'll be discussing this 100 times. Okay, don't mug up this. After from, which keyword will be executed? Now we are left with two keywords, select and where. These are the two reserved keywords. So which will be executed, select or where?
It might be a where.
Where?
Select.
No, select is here, no. Select comes after where. So first where will be executed. So what is the task of where? Where task is to apply filter, right? So the moment SQL engine will see where, it will understand, oh, I have to apply filter. And I think you all know about filter. In our day-to-day life, we are using filter everywhere. If you want to do shopping on Flipkart or Amazon, you want to buy a phone. So you will apply filter, no? The RAM, the screen size, and that camera pixels and all those things. So what you're doing there, you're applying filter there. So in the same way, SQL engine also applies filter, but it uses where keyword to apply filter. So when the engine will see this where keyword, engine will understand, okay, oh, I have to apply filter, but on which column? Employee ID. So engine will highlight this. Yo, on this column, I have to apply filter. Now in this column, you have to apply filter, but which value you are searching? You are searching 2. Then what will happen? Engine will start searching this 2 in this employee ID column one by one. It will start with the first row. Do you think this is 2? No. You are searching for 2, but this is 1. So this record will be rejected. Then engine will go to the next record. You are searching for 2. This is also 2. So this record will be selected or rejected?
Selector.
Selected,
Selected.
sir.
But my question is, you are searching for 2. We found 2 here. Do you think engine will stop here or it will keep on searching?
It will keep searching.
It will
Yes.
check the other records.
It will
Engine
search,
will keep on searching.
yeah, it will
You
search
are
for the conditions, is it?
Yeah, engine will search this employee ID2 for the entire set of records. So don't be under the impression that, oh, Tanvir, you are searching for the ID2. Engine has found ID2 here, so engine should stop here. No, it will keep on searching for the remaining records as well, this ID2. And why it does so, I will answer that after some time. Then it will go to the next record. This is 3, but you are searching for 2. So this will be selected or rejected.
Rejected.
Rejected. Are you guys understanding how the execution works?
Yes.
Yes.
Similarly, the next record, rejected. Similarly, the next record, reject. So this is the task of where. Finally, the where will highlight this if this record is selected. Then after this, select will come into picture. Now, what is the task of select? To display. Now in select, what you have written? A star. What is the meaning of a star?
From all.
Everything.
No, not everything. I have never told everything. Tell me the specific word which I have told.
All.
Not, I
All.
have not told all. Check my recording. I have never told all.
Columns. Columns.
All the columns.
All the columns.
If you will tell everything, it means you are telling to display all these things. So you have to be specific here. A star doesn't mean all or everything. A star means all the columns. So engine will display all the columns, but not all the records, only the selected records. That is why finally this will be the output. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, it goes into the employee ID column, goes to record number 2, and then selects the entire record from across all the. Okay, okay, yes, sir. It's clear.
Clear. Any other question, anyone?
Something if it is the unique means still it will go for the other conditions also after the condition was satisfied.
You mean like if a column is unique, then still it will check for all the records. Is that your question?
Correct, correct, correct.
Your understanding is right. There comes the concept of indexing. Maybe that is not in our syllabus, but maybe we can discuss at a later point of time. But generally, what happens, the engine will scan the entire set of records. Hope it is clear.
Okay.
Any other question, anyone? These all are the basics, so it has to be crystal clear. Otherwise, you will struggle at a later point of time. That is why I'm repeating. Okay, it is clear. So you understood how this particular query is executed at the backend. So here I've applied filter on the employee ID column. Similarly, you can apply filter on any column. Let's say employee name or location, wherever you want, you can apply filter. You have full freedom. Okay. Now, next scenario. Suppose my client is telling me, hey, Tanvir, fetch me the details of employees who are from Chennai. So what will be the query?
Select star from employee.
Select a star from employee. Then
Where location equals to Chennai.
now check the output. I'm executing it. Tell me, is this the correct output? Okay, fine. Now, suppose my client is asking to apply to fetch the details of the employees who are from Delhi. Then what I have to do here? I have to write where location equals Delhi, right? Okay. So what I will do here, I will write here now location equals Delhi. Just a minute, guys. Now, this is the output. My question is, do you think this is the correct output?
Is that like we have the uppercase and lowercase in the table, right? So, is do we need to write any character specific query for that?
No, my only question is this the correct output? First of all, answer it yes or no.
Straight away, if we want to pull that particular column, then it is yes. But there are many other, right? So
Correct. So you can tell here, Tanveer, the client has asked the details of the employees who are from Delhi, right? So Tanveer, we could see John is from Delhi, Abdul is from Delhi, Rajesh is from Delhi. So Tanveer, you are displaying only John, so this is not the correct output. You all agree here?
Yes, yes.
Right? No. Here, if I will display this data to the client will ask, Tanveer, you are showing only John. Tanveer, do you think only John is from Delhi? Tanveer, I could see John, Abdul, Rajesh, they all are from Delhi. Why are you displaying only John, right? So one thing is clear, this output is not correct. The client will not be convinced with this. Is this clear, first of all, to everyone?
Yes, yes.
yes.
Okay. So the client will not agree with this output. He will tell, no, Tanveer, this is incorrect data. I could see John, Abdul, Rajesh, they all are from Delhi. Okay. Now the question is, what is wrong with this query? Why it has given only John? Why it has not given Abdul? Why it has not given Rajesh? Let's try to understand. Hold on, I'm not looking for any response. Just listen to me. So in this query, now tell me which keyword will be executed first?
From.
From employee. So engine will take a copy of the employee table, right?
Yes.
Each and every query which we'll be discussing in this course, we have to understand it from the engine perspective, that how at the back end engine is executing your query. Then only you will be able to write complex. Please make a note of this point. Okay. And the same thing when I will be giving assignments, same thing you have to do during the assignments as well. You have to analyze the query from the engine perspective. Now from employee, after from, which keyword will be executed?
Where?
Where. What is the task of where?
Filter.
To apply filter. On which column you're applying filter?
Location column.
Location. What you are searching here?
Delhi.
Okay. You're searching for Delhi. This Delhi you are searching. Okay. Now, engine will start with this record. Is this Delhi and this Delhi, are they same? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So this will be
Yes.
selected or rejected?
Selected.
Selected. So this record will be selected. Take idea. Now, will engine stop here?
It will come to the Chennai.
Yes, engine will not stop here. It will move to the next
Chennai.
record. So next record is Chennai. You are searching for Delhi. This will be selected or rejected?
Unselected.
Rejected. Now, next is Pune. Selected or rejected?
Rejected.
Rejected. Next record. You are searching for Delhi. This is Delhi. Are they both same?
No.
No.
You all agree this is not same?
Not same.
Yes, sir, it's not
Suppose,
same.
suppose my laptop password is welcome at 123. And I will write like this. Will I get access?
Cannot.
Why?
Case sensitive.
Case sensitive, right? So
Yes.
please remember, not only SQL or in all the programming languages, data is case sensitive. Whether you are studying Python, SQL, Unix, C, any language, data is case sensitive. I'm getting background noise. Can you please go on mute? Thank you. So data is case sensitive. Now listen to me. If I'm telling data is case sensitive in SQL, only data is case sensitive. This select which I have written, you can write it in uppercase, lowercase, your wish. There is no problem. This from, you write it in uppercase, lowercase, initial case or camel case or proper case. जैसे लिखना है आपकी मर्जी, you will get the output. The table name employee, you write it in any case. Where you write it in any case. Column names, you write it in any case. No problem at all in SQL. But the data which you're writing, that is case sensitive, boss. So if you're searching for this daily and you found this daily, are they both same? No. So as a result, this will be rejected. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir. So data is case sensitive, but the keywords are not case sensitive.
Yes. Keywords are not case sensitive. You have full freedom. You write the keywords in any case. You try that after the class. It will give you the output. But this freedom you don't have in other programming languages. Wahab, you attended Python class as well, right?
Yes, sir.
So there
There
you
we
might have
have
observed print and other things I have shown you. It is case sensitive,
yes,
right?
sir.
But in SQL you
Yes,
have this freedom. It is not case sensitive. Clear to everyone?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And Indian will go to the next record. This daily and this daily, are they both same?
No.
No.
Not
So
same.
this will also be rejected.
Yes.
So finally we have selected only this record, one John daily. So that is why in the output you are getting only one John daily. That is why in the output you're getting one John daily. First of all, is this point clear? Why you're getting only John in the output?
Yes.
Is this clear to everyone so far? Okay. Now, after this, we got one John daily. Now, if I will tell to the client, okay, the SQL is case sensitive with data. So that is why I'm getting only John in the output. So client will not agree to this, right? Client will tell, okay, that is your headache. SQL is case sensitive or what? I want all the data. I want John, Abdul, Rajesh, everything. Whether location is written in lowercase or uppercase, that doesn't matter to me. Is this point clear? I'm not getting response from everyone. What happened?
Yes,
Are
yes,
you all
yes.
able to understand?
This one,
Clear.
Clear enough? So
yes, sir.
client will tell कि यार I need all this John, Abdul, Rajesh, everything I want. Okay. SQL is case sensitive or not case sensitive. Tanvir, it is your headache. You are a technical person. You have to handle it. I want all the data. And this is what happens in any typical project. Client will tell कि मेरे को ये चाहिए तो चाहिए भाई. You think like how you're going to handle it. Okay. So then how to solve this? So for that, let me write this query in another way. So I will write here upper. I will explain this to you. Don't worry. Just listen to me. I'm executing this query now. Just tell me yes or no. Is this the correct output? Is this the expected output? Yes or no? I know.
Yes, it is
Yes, sir.
correct.
This is the expected output. No, if I will show this output now to the client, client will be happy. Yes, this is what I want. Then we now you're displaying John, Abdul, Rajesh, all the employees who are from Delhi. Okay, that is good. But now the question is, what is special I have done here? What magic this upper keyword has created that I'm getting all the records now? Let's try to understand this. Again, in this query, first of all, from employee will be executed, right? So engine will
Yes.
take it. Any question? Okay, I have muted everyone. If you have any question, you can unmute and you can ask. Okay.
Yes,
Oh, आते हैं हम यार भूल गए.
sir. Sir, should we, whenever we are actually looking inside tables, should we do upper for them or lower for them? Like
I have
just
not
for a
completed.
precaution.
I have not
Oh,
completed.
okay,
Just
okay.
started. Let me first explain this. Okay, then I will answer to your question. Let me first explain. So first of all, from employee will be executed. So this is the employee table. Okay. Then after from which keyword will be executed?
Where keyword?
Where keyword. So see, that is why I told you this will be this we will discuss at least 100 times or more than that. Okay. So that it should be crystal clear to you, okay, how your query is executed at the backend. Then you have where. The task of where is to apply filter. Correct? Okay.
Yes.
Now on which column you're trying to apply filter?
Location.
No. Any other response?
Upper location.
Upper location. We are not applying filter on the location column only here. What we have written after where? Upper location. See, these all things matters a lot in your interview. So be careful. Okay. And don't take it in a negative way, anyone, if I'm objecting you. The same way the interviewers will start asking you question, they will roast you. Okay, how you are telling it is location? Don't you see there is a upper keyword here? If you're telling here we are applying filter on location, then what is the difference between this query and this query? Right? Here also you're applying filter on location. Here also you're applying filter on location. Then why you have written upper? So you have to tell we are applying filter on the upper location. Now the question is, what is the meaning of upper location? The meaning of upper location is we are telling to the SQL engine that in the location column, whatever you have, you please convert it into the uppercase. That is the meaning. Okay. In the location column, whatever you have, you please convert it into uppercase. That is the meaning of upper. So what engine will do at the back end, it will convert each and everything, these all things in uppercase. So see here. This is what the engine will do at the back end. It will not be visible to you, but at the back end, engine will convert all the values in this location column into uppercase. I hope it is clear. Clear yahan tak? Is this clear so far?
Yes.
Okay. So where this conversion will happen in the uppercase, main table or the temporary memory?
Temporary
Memory at the
Temporary
back
memory.
end. Okay. Now in this upper location, what you are searching? You are searching this
Delhi.
daily, right? So then engine will start searching this daily in this upper location column. Hope it is clear. So then this daily and this daily, are they both same?
Yes.
Yes. Now they both are same. This record will be selected. And you have derived this record from this data. So literally this record will be selected. The next Chennai, this too will be rejected, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it means this will also be rejected because we have derived it from this record only. Then this is Delhi and this is Delhi. So this both will be selected because we have Delhi in uppercase here and you are searching in uppercase. So that is why when you will execute this query, finally this three John, Abdul and Rajesh will be displayed at the output. This is how this query is getting executed at the backend. Now you can ask question if you have any.
Okay. Once the temporary this one is allotted, it will search for all the uppercase. It will make everything as uppercase, is it? But for displaying, it will be regular case, is it?
Correct. When it will display the data, it will display from this table only.
Okay, understood.
Okay, very good question you have asked. It will display from this table only. It will not display the upper one. This is only for the reference purpose. So don't be under the impression, Tanveer, you converted this location into uppercase. No, then why it is not coming into uppercase here? It is because the data will be fetched from the main table, not from this one. Okay. So in the main table, you are not changing anything into uppercase. You are doing this where? In the temporary memory. So let me show you the main table once. Now see, I will show you the main table. Select. Now see, I'm writing everything in uppercase. We'll get the same output. Now see the main table employee. Do you think the location is converted into uppercase?
No.
No.
No, it is as it is. That is why I told you this upper location, it will be converted into uppercase where? In the temporary memory, in your RAM. It is not permanent. Don't be under the impression that Tanvir is teaching us in this location everything will be converted into uppercase. No. I hope it is clear now.
Yes.
Yes.
Any question, anyone? No. Okay.
Tanvir, can we write the same query with lowercase and
Yes,
execute?
correct. You're right. We can do this with
Mhm.
lower as well. I will come to that. Just give me a few minutes. Okay,
Okay.
because we have few more scenarios to cover here. Once it is over, I will come to that scenario as well. Now, I have a question here. If you have understood, I have one question. So think over it, everyone. Take your time, then answer. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, the question is, if I will execute, if I will execute this query, I'm repeating, think over it, take your time, then answer. Don't be in a hurry. What will be the output if I will execute this query?
Error.
Why error?
Sir, because case sensitivity will kick in because data is case sensitive.
Data is case sensitive. Okay. Anyone else? Any other thought? One response I received is you told it will throw error message. Anyone else? Any other thought? Anyone?
Slightly scroll it down.
Yeah. This is the table.
Okay, after
Yeah, here
upper.
because we are saying like we want
Hmm.
the location column to convert it as uppercase, but we
Mm-hmm.
have mentioned only D in uppercase and
Hmm.
ELHI is in lowercase. So
Hmm.
I think that is the only um,
Okay.
that will cause error.
That will cause error. Okay. Okay. Anyone else?
No, I think if you put the upper location and Delhi,
Hmm.
all it is to Delhi uppercase. So I think it will be run and give the same as like above.
Okay. You mean I will get the same output? Okay.
Mm.
Two response I have received. One response it will throw error. Other response I will get all the same record. Okay. Fine. Let me do one thing. I will not execute it. Let's first analyze it. Okay. And then we will check our analysis and the engine output is same or not. Take care. But this time you guys will help me in the analysis part. So first of all, which keyword will be executed? Tell me quickly.
From
Select
employee.
From
from
employee. So this is employee table. Okay. I have taken a copy of it and let's put it in the temporary memory. Then next, which keyword?
Where
Where? What is the task of where?
apply filter
On which
filter
column you want to apply filter here?
upper location.
What
location.
is the meaning of upper location?
It will change to uppercase.
Correct. You are telling you whatever you have in the location column, please convert it into uppercase. That is the meaning, no?
Yes.
Okay. So at the back end, engine will convert each and everything into uppercase, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this all will be converted into uppercase. Till here it is clear to everyone, right? Okay.
Yes.
Now within this, what you are searching?
Delhi.
You are searching this Delhi, right?
Mm.
Now, do you think this Delhi and this Delhi, are they both same?
No.
Don't take this much time here. They both are not same. They are different. Here
Yes.
only D is in uppercase, ELHI is in lowercase. But here you see everything is in uppercase, so they're not same. So this record will be rejected. Got it?
Okay.
Chennai,
Rejected.
Pune, Rejected. What about the next two daily?
Rejected.
Sector.
Now tell me what should be the output. No output. You have not
Nothing.
selected any record. You will not get any output. That's all. You see, I'm executing this query. See what is the output.
No data from.
No data found.
Now is this clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
Got it, no? So that is why
Yes.
if you're struck with any query, do the analysis. Okay, you can understand it in a better way. Now, one thing I want to make it clear for those who told it will throw error message. See, the concept is in SQL, you have full freedom to ask any data from the SQL engine. See, I will write here something dummy, something I've written in the location. We know that this doesn't exist in the location column, right? We know this. But do you think if I will execute this, engine will throw error? No. Engine will never throw error. You have full freedom to ask any value from the SQL engine. If it doesn't exist, engine will just tell you no data found. See, it is telling no data found now. It will not throw error message. So please remember this. This is applicable throughout SQL, not only here. Whatever I'll be teaching you, joins, window functions, CT, anywhere. You have full freedom to ask any data from the SQL engine. If it doesn't exist, engine will tell, sorry, there is no data. Hope this
Yeah,
is
probably
clear.
like if we put any wrong syntax, then probably it will give error. But
If
in
the
this case, it
thing
will say no data found.
correct. If you're committing syntax error, if you're violating the rules of SQL, then SQL will throw error. Let's say this example. If I will in where I will remove E by mistake. So now the engine will not understand what is this WHER. Then engine will throw error because this is a syntax error. You are not following the rules correctly. You have not given the correct name to this. Now see, it will throw error. So if you're not following the rules and regulations of writing query, then it will throw error. Otherwise, it will not throw error.
Maybe like if we forget to put equals to after the
Then also
location.
it will throw error. Then also it will throw error. Suppose if you will not write equals operator, engine will not understand what to do, which operator you're using here. It is equals to, less than, greater than. So then again engine will throw error. Got it?
Yes.
I hope it is clear to everyone so far.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now similar to upper, you have, so one thing, please make a note of one important point here. If you're writing upper here, whatever you are searching, this has to be in uppercase. You cannot write any other case. This has to be in uppercase, then only you will get the output. Okay. Now, next scenario. Now see, I will write here lower. And again, this I will not explain. I want someone to explain this. And this is on the same line how I taught you upper now. Exactly same explanation for this. I think little bit you can answer. See. Okay. Now tell me quickly. First, which keyword?
From employee.
From employee. Then
Then where for
where.
filter
What is the task of where? To filter the data. On which column you want to filter?
lower location.
What is the meaning of lower location?
The lowercase one.
Correct. The meaning is convert everything in
Lower
lowercase,
Lowercase.
whatever is in the location column. So engine will convert it into the
lowercase.
lowercase, whatever you have in the location column. And this conversion will happen in the temporary memory. Okay.
Mm.
Now here in this lower location column, what you are searching? You are searching this daily.
Lowercase daily.
Lowercase daily you are searching. So now tell me, let me highlight this. Now, do you think this daily and this daily, they both are same?
Yes, yes.
Selected or rejected?
Selected.
Selected.
Selected. This Chennai and Pune are rejected?
Rejected.
Yes.
Rejected. Now this to Delhi?
Yes, selected.
Selected.
Select. So then this will be selected
All the Delhi will be selected.
and this too will also be selected. So what will be the output if you will execute this query?
All the Delhi
All
will be
the three
selected.
records, right? Let me
Yes.
execute this now. You are getting all the Delhi here?
Yes.
Hope it is clear to everyone. So you can solve this using upper keyword or lower keyword. But if you are using lower, this has to be in lowercase.
Okay.
If you are using upper, this has to be in upper. Same question I can ask you here. Suppose in this query, now you have to answer this. If I will write this query in this format, now what will be the output?
If we put the
No data
Delhi,
found.
I think all the thing
No.
have to be a lower case only.
So this will give no data.
No data
Similar
found.
explanation, whatever I have told you here. Lower
Yes.
location, if you write D in uppercase, then no data. So the summary is, if you're using upper, the value what you're searching, that has to be in uppercase. If you're using lower, the value what you're searching, that has to be in lower.
Lowercase.
Now,
Hmm.
in project, okay, when you're working in project, and if you're not sure about the case of a data, then you can use upper or lower. So this is the answer to the question what Wahab has asked in the beginning. So Wahab, if you're not sure, sometimes it happens you're dealing with 50 million records, 100 million records, and you're not sure about the data, what is the case, and if it is in mixed case, so don't take risk. Use either upper or lower, and you will get that.
Yes, sir.
Any question, please feel free and ask question if you have any here.
In this case, we have 50 million rows or something like that means how we have to put, we don't know whether all the things will be in upper or lower means we have to put both the things together or what?
Why together? Suppose you have 500 million records and you have to fetch the details of those who are from Delhi and you're not sure whether Delhi is written in which case, then just you write upper location
All the
and
thing
write
will be
this
up.
Delhi all in uppercase. So whatever Delhi you have in whatever case, you'll get all the records.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay. Is there any
So
specific name for that keyword, upper and lower keyword? It's a normal keyword only. Yeah.
can you repeat your question once?
Is it any specific name for the upper and lower
No, these are the keywords only.
keywords only? Okay.
Whatever I'm teaching you here, these all are known as reserved keywords in SQL. Let's see, like if I will show you this. This is your syllabus, this 30, your resources 30 batch. So all these things, whatever you're saying, no, these are the keywords which you have to study in this language. Okay, so far we completed create, insert, upper, lower. I think only this three, and then where we have completed. So that is what you have to complete all these keywords in this course. And then this set of conceptual questions. Okay.
Okay.
So fine then, I will stop here, but humble request to everyone, please go through the recording. Those who have attended the class today, studies recording as well, and please register on Graphy. Today's recording I will upload again on YouTube, and this will be uploaded on Graphy as well. But tomorrow we'll take class on Graphy. If you're facing any issue, please share the screenshot in the group. Okay. And all these things will be shared in the WhatsApp group right now. Fine then. Okay. Thank you. We'll connect tomorrow. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Then I have one.